action.
Hi everyone, this is Bryn. This is my first unboxing and review of a GoPro Hero 3 only accessory. Today I'm looking at the frame. It's suitable for the white, silver and black edition GoPro Hero 3 cameras. Instead of using the standard housing, the frame is designed to mount the camera when it doesn't need to be waterproof. It won't be exposed to dust, dirt and sand, and when it won't be likely to sustain any kind of impact. Okay, let's take a look. This is the standard frame. It comes with a quick release buckle and a thumb screw. The frame is a little bit like a skeleton housing, only better. It means you can get better audio and have access to the battery compartment and the mini USB port. Let's see what else you get. In this box, you get some instructions, a bonus lens cap, which that's really nice. That. A flat adhesive mount, a curved adhesive mount, and this larger frame, which is the LCD backpack frame. Okay, to fit the Hero 3 into the frame, first thing to do is to remove this little cover from the side of the Hero 3. If you want to get access to the mini USB port, you're going to have to take that off first. Remove the thumb screw, take off the quick release, then line the camera up, the two shutter buttons, pull the frame apart like that and pop it back in until it closes like that. Then it's a little bit fiddly, but you just got to try and get the quick release, push it together, get the quick release in there, line up the holes, and a bit of jiggling, get the thumb screw in and screw it up all the way. And there you have the Hero 3 in the frame. The frame gives you open access to the power mode button on the front. It has a button on the top for the shutter and one on the side for Wi-Fi. It also has holes for the microphone and one for the top LED light. You can't access the micro SD card when the Hero 3 is in the frame, but you can use the mini USB port. That means that you could use an external battery such as Gold Zero to power the GoPro for longer time lapses. Or if you wanted to, you could even charge the camera at the same time as taking video or time-lapse photos by plugging in a power source, such as a laptop, using a USB lead. Or you could even run an electrical lead outside from your house to the camera and plug it into a USB power charger like this. Here I have the frame attached to the GoPro tripod adapter, which is good for situations where the GoPro should be attached to a tripod, such as when time-lapsing or when shooting in 2.7K or 4K resolution. The larger backpack frame is intended to be used with the GoPro Hero 3 and the new generation LCD or battery backpacks, but here I've fitted it with the original LCD backpack and that seems to fit fine. The button lines up, so I'll certainly be using it that way. I'm looking forward to using the frame, and I think it's a great accessory for the GoPro Hero 3. I only wish that it had been available for the older models. This is Bryn. Thanks for watching.